my Wing Chun footwork diagram. This represents your center line. This should be dissecting your feet. Okay, and if you're in your stance, your Kimmy-ma, the outside angles here represent the 60 degrees that your feet should be in. And the middle line is representing your center line, and it should be running right down the middle of your stance here. That's right, and your Kimmy-ma set up here, this represents different directions that you can go from your Wing Chun stance, okay? Just like this. After you've done your closing step and when you're doing your outfall back to your Kimmy-ma, or when you've done your closing step and you're in your Jin-ma, this gives you reference for your feet. Practice this all day long. All right, basics are always best.